Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to import users and groups from Active Directory. Before getting into this video, let me briefly explain what I mean by users and groups. A user is an individual, and group is a collection of users. They have access to report server reports, data sets, data sources, and schedules based on permissions. Active Directory is Microsoft's proprietary directory service. It runs on Windows Server and allows administrators to manage permissions and access to network resources. It stores data as objects. Let's see how to import users from Active Directory. Users can only be added, edited, or deleted by a user in the System Administrator group. The System Administrator group is automatically created while launching the Bold Reports reporting application, during installation. To import users from Active Directory, first, click Users in the left navigation bar. Click New User from the top panel. A drop-down will be displayed. For this demo, I am choosing Import from Active Directory. Since I have not configured the settings for Active Directory, I am redirected to the Active Directory settings page. Enter the values in the necessary fields to connect. And click the Test Connection button. You will see the connection successful message. Then, click the Save button to save the settings. You will be redirected to the user import page. Enter the name of the user you want to add in the search bar. Press the Enter key. You will see the list of names, usernames, and email IDs is displayed. Select the user you want to add by clicking the checkbox near the name column. If you want to select all the users, then select the checkbox in the name column header. For this demo, I select a single user and click the Import button. A dialog will display the number of users imported from Active Directory. Click the OK button. Click the Back button. You will be redirected to the users page. You will see the user is added to the user list. Now, let's see how to import groups from Active Directory. Groups contain a collection of users. Report Server has an option to categorize users, based on their roles. Click Groups from the top panel. You will be redirected to the Groups page. Click New Group from the top panel. Click Import from Active Directory from the drop-down. Since you have already configured the Active Directory settings, you will be redirected to the Import Groups page. Enter the group name you want to add in the search bar. Press the Enter key. You will see the list of group names, and their descriptions are displayed. Select the group you want to add by clicking the checkbox near the name column. If you want to select all the groups, then select the checkbox in the name column header. For this demo, I select a single group. And I click the Import Groups button. A dialog will display the number of users imported, and the number of users not imported from Active Directory. Click the OK button. Click the Back button. You will be redirected to the Groups page. You will see the group is added to the group list. You cannot edit the user or group profiles if you add them from Active Directory. If there are any changes in the user or group details in Active Directory, the same details need to be added in the report server. So, we need to synchronize the user and group information. Bold Reports lets you synchronize user and group details manually, or using a synchronization schedule that will synchronize the user and group details automatically at a specific time interval. First, let's see how to synchronize the information manually. To synchronize user details, under the Users page, click Synchronize. And select Active Directory Synchronization. Select the user by clicking the checkbox near the username. And then click the Synchronize button. A dialog will display the success message. Click the OK button. To synchronize a group of users from Active Directory, click Groups from the top panel. You will be redirected to the Groups page. Click Synchronize. And select Active Directory Synchronization. Select the group by clicking the checkbox near the group name. And then click the Synchronize button. A dialog will display the number of users added, removed, synchronized, not synchronized, and status modified from Active Directory to the report server. Click the OK button. Now, let's see how to add a schedule for synchronizing the user data with Active Directory. You can create a schedule that will automate the synchronization of modifications to the user or group details in the report server from Active Directory. The scheduling will happen on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly interval. To create a schedule, click Settings from the left navigation bar. Click Authentication from the top panel. Click Synchronization from the top panel. And click AD Schedule Synchronization. Click the Enable Active Directory Schedule Synchronization option. Enter the necessary fields. And click the Save button. You will see the schedule time at the top. In this video, you have learned how to import users and groups from Active Directory, and how to synchronize the user data from Active Directory in bold reports. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.